Hey guys, welcome back with another brand new and exciting strategy. In this video, I'm going to share with you the CPA marketing, that how it is working. I'm going to share with you CPAGrip, Offervalt, and CPALeads.com, which all these three of them are from CPA marketing that you can grab affiliate offers and you can start promoting for absolutely free. So stay tuned to the very end of this video. I'm going to share with you that how we can do that. The first and important thing is that sign up with CPAGrip and CPALead. If you are promoting the Offervalt products, so you can also sign up for that. But I will just show you CPAGrip and CPALead.com that how we can promote. We can simply sign up for a play account with CPALead, then log into our account. Once we log into our account, we will have different offers. So we have same thing like TikTok CPI high EPC offer. We can simply just click on that. Once we click on that right here, let me just click on that. Okay, once we click on that, that will show us more information and more details about this product, that how it is working right here and how we can simply promote this offer right here anywhere we want basically. And let me just okay, it's not opening due to internet connection, but we can simply wait for that to just open and that will show us right here. But before opening that, that is basically required Android software or device that it can be opening that, and that should be a mobile app. Actually, basically that is a TikTok app that we can promote in front of others people, that they can simply install and we will be getting paid for that. So but that way they can simply just click on that and they will be redirected to TikTok right here, and they can simply click on the install button and they can simply install. Once they install, we get paid for that right here. And the same way we can also go to the CPAGrip.com. You can see here I just write in the search bar TikTok. Let me just show you right here on the top. Okay, I just show you TikToks in the search bar and click on that, and then I search that, and here are different offers, but most of them are in other language. So for that I just start a simple and free Chrome extension Google Translate, and I install to Chrome, and that will show up right here in the top bar. You can simply click on that and click on translate this page right here. Once you click on that, that will be automatically translate, and these all language will be changed into English. So I can simply just click on any one of these right here to open right here. Okay, simply just click on this one. For example, this is Switzerland offer. Okay, TikTok, download new TikTok tips, for example, and here is my affiliate link. So for this CPALead and CPAGrip, I can put together some offer and linktree.com. Linktree is a free website and a free landing page actually that you can sign up for that, and then you can simply create offer something like that. Means you can simply add the title and your link right here. So how I did it, I simply just click on add new link right here. Once I click on add new link right here, it shows the title here. So this is basically title. I just copy from here and just paste it right here. Okay, or here the title. Okay, and also my affiliate link is, which is this one. I simply click on the copy that, and then I paste it right here. Okay, so I will just close this because I already just create these two, okay, offers right here. It will look something like this in front of other people's. So once you are done with that, then you can have this URL, which will be your Linktree URL or your website URL. You can simply just click on the share button right here and click on the copy button right away here. Once you copy that, then you can simply go to YouTube and just search in the YouTube, okay, for example, TikTok videos, something like that. Once you search that, so it will be open like this, which will all be TikTok videos right here, and you can simply click on one of these right here. I can simply click on this one. Once I click on that, it will be open right here. That, for example, 121 million views this video and got something like 6,553 comments. So I can simply read the comments. It means that these people are interested with TikTok. So I can simply just give reply to any one of these right here. And the reply section, I can simply just copy. I can simply add my comment right here, for example, that you are interested with TikTok and you need to have, for example, install TikTok app, that you can simply do it in your smartphone right here. Okay, I simply just right here, for example, to be honest, everybody interested with the fresh contents with fresh contents, and that's why you are watching TikTok videos on YouTube, but it will be great to watch these fresh videos directly on TikTok and get pleasure of them, and every time get updated. You can get access, for example, to the TikTok and many other TikTok pictures right here without searching on the internet right here. And then I added my affiliate links right here. So what I need to do, I can simply just click on the reply button, and I can see whenever people just read this, or even this one right here, okay, what I reply to this guy, okay. So this guy and many other people, when they are reading my comment right here, and I have a link for them, so they can simply just click on that link right here. Once they click on the link, so they will be read to this page right here, and they can click on the download. Whenever they click that, so they will be read to this page right here. They can simply install. Once they install, we get paid for that. So that is simple as this, as 1, 2, 3. Simple method, simple strategy, and making money, a lot of money by this free method online. So hope you like the method and you are interested with it. If you like it, please hit the like button, comment. If you have any question or concern, I can respond to that as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.